Welcome to our daily movement session. Let's build some incredible strength, cardiovascular endurance, all in 10 minutes. Let's get started. Arms up, drive the knee. 3 simple movements today. We're gonna go through them 3 times, have a slight variation, just to prove how simple movement can be, how simply we can build strength, balance, mobility, and do some cardio just in 10 minutes. While we build this incredible consistency and discipline. You modify wherever you're at today. I want to get the heart going. I want to be a little out of breath at the end of this session. If you want to join me, let's do it. Let's work hard. We just want a nice, easy day. You do you. Go easy then. Let's celebrate simplicity and movement together. Reach those arms back. Great mobility in the upper back and shoulders. Drive the knee. Strength, balance. It's all going to be here today. I promise you. All right. Arms ready to fall off? Me too. Shuffle. Just a nice, easy shuffle. But I am bringing a little squat into it. The body weight squat. So powerful, so great. I've chosen an area today that has a great deal of variation. We want to find uneven terrain to walk on, to do some movement on. It builds muscle in areas that we wouldn't normally use, helps with balance, coordination, stability. Go as low as you can. Just do your best. One more here. Okay, simple skater. So we're just going to swing the arms, tap the foot back. This is our 3rd exercise. And we're gonna go 2 more rounds. We'll change it up a little bit. Again, go at your pace. Do what's best for you. And let's enjoy every movement. Tap it out a little bit further. Increase our range of motion. It's a little slippery here. I might go down. There we go. Endorphins engaged. Okay, back at it. This move, I want you to bend back now. Drive the knee up and bend back. Just a nice bend in the lower back. When you come up, yeah. Strength, mobility in our lower back. Oh, hallelujah. When the low back feels good, oh, everything feels simpler. Life just seems grand. Bend it back. Nice. Couple more. Good. Yes. Okay, let's take our lateral move and just reach down. Bend as deeply as you can. I've been asking for your feedback. I encourage it. Please let me know what you like. When I hear cardio, lateral movement, squats, oh, music to my ears. Just simple, functional movements that help us move through our day with strength and ease. Maybe you're here, right? No problem. Maybe we just aim to get a little further down. Ooh, there we go. Last one. Okay, now, skater, can we pick up the pace just a bit? Swing those arms. Move with intention. Tap that foot a little further out to the side. Remember to breathe. Ooh. I must show you my view today. There it is, or there it is, wherever we're putting it. Oh, glory, hallelujah. Simplicity. Simplicity in movement. How come the best foods are often the most simple? One ingredient, no prepackaged. Oh, I think we overcomplicated so many things. Yes, yes, yes. Okay. One leg with our overhead knee drive. Come back a bit. Reach that foot back. Let's work on the balance here. Virtually the same movement, we're just modifying a bit. Simple. Simple doesn't always mean easy either, right? Maybe this isn't that easy for you, but you can work towards it. Let's go other leg. Now. Drive it up and step back. Drive it up, step back. Step back as far as you can. Drive the knee as high as you can. Be playful. Watch the mind. No toxic thoughts. You are enough. You are strong. Yes. 3, 2, 1. Oh, good. Yes, yes. Let's go with our lateral movement. Fold. Move laterally. Bend down as much as you can. What's more functional? The ability to just bend over with ease. I think I was worse off when I was a teenager. Felt like an old man. We don't want to feel like old people. We're not old people. We never will be. Our mindset. We will be young to that very last day. In mind, body, and spirit. That's what we're doing here. 10 minutes of movement to encourage further movement throughout the day and to have that mindset. We are young. Let's just stick with this for a bit. This is brilliant. Great mobility in the hips. Come on to the balls of your feet maybe. Ooh, yeah. Just a nice little bound over. Bend as best you can. Yep. A couple more. Last one. Maybe we just hold this for a moment. Bend your knees as much as you need. Sink a little bit deeper. Really feel it. Oh, whatever you're feeling. Just enjoy the experience. And come on up. Whoa. Let's take our last skater. Woo. Yeah? Heart rate's elevated. I'm going to extend my leg as far as I can, and I'm going to come down into virtually a curtsy squat. If you want to really ramp it up and go quickly, by all means. And again, maybe it's just a little toe tap right now for you. Swing those arms. Just move with intention. After the lateral movements, this feels nice on the glutes. Build an amazing strength. Engage your core for balance. Whoa, if you lose your balance, have a chuckle, have a giggle, and just go. Oh. That's it. Just move simply, live simply. Work to enjoy every moment, every challenge. That's what we're here for. We're born, we're gonna die, and there's a whole bunch of experiences that are presented before us along the way. Can we enjoy them, get the most out of each one, and sink down? And one last one. Bring the arms out for a second. Look to the sky. Feel the burn. Shake it out. Well done to you today. Thank you for showing up. I truly am so grateful. Oh, how about a moment just of stillness? Maybe we can contemplate the simplicity of things. What do we really want out of this precious life? I don't think it's what we're being sold all the time. Mansions and six-pack abs. How about enjoying our experiences, our relationships? The ability to just be, to move with ease, to age gracefully, to accept that the mosquitoes have finally come, and just to be. Oh. Hallelujah. Thank you again. Please keep showing up. Let me know how this session went for you. It helps me to plan next. It helps to push the video out to other people just like you. Go and have the most amazing day. Your body is precious. Take good care of it. Move simply. I will see you tomorrow. Goodbye.